Bible says that by the foolishness of preaching, the world is saved. You come out here and you mock us, you scoff us, all you do is prove the Bible to be true. Bible says you're going to come out, you're going to mock, you're going to scoff, just like you did in the days of Jesus, just like they did when Jesus was alive. You recognize Jesus died for your sins? You recognize it was your sins that put him on the cross? It was your sins that put the nails in his hands? It was your sins that got whipped and whipped his back. You got to get your mindset that he shed his blood. He shed his blood that you could have life and that you could have it eternally. Bible says that Jesus came. He came that you might have life and that you might have it more abundantly. Jesus saves. Jesus saves.